from Psalm 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do comes to good.
Our story today begins a long, long time ago. God created the world and everything in it. Majestic mountains, trees and fields, clean flowing rivers, pure air, and the sun above to make the world a perfect temperature for life. Everything in the world was made by God to show his love for life. But something happened to change it all. In Genesis chapter 6.
The Lord saw how great the wickedness of the human race had become on the earth, and that every inclination of the thoughts of the human heart was only evil all the time. And the heart of God was deeply troubled. So the Lord said, I will make the world clean again. Noah was a righteous man, blameless in his generation. Noah walked with God. And Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord.
Our story today is about that special relationship. The relationship between God and the people of the earth, Noah and his family, Noah and the animals. But it's a story about all of us too. It's a story that reminds us that God wants us to live in harmony with the world he created. God wants us to live in peace with our neighbors and to care for the natural world. Most of all, it's a story about love, God's great love for all of us.
No
somebody had better come up with the right color combination.
And they better be quick, or the story will never get off the ground. Hey, how about yellow, pink, brown, and green?
Yeah. I know, blue, orange, chartreuse, and beige.
Burgundy, peach, and gold.
No.
Wait, I got it. Roy G. Biv.
Yay.
Yeah, does everybody remember those colors?
Okay, everybody, let's get down to business. Now, who knows which rainbow we're singing about?
Well, there's Rainbow Bright, you know, the cute little doll. And there's Rainbow Bread.
And there's a Rainbow Food Co-op.
Yeah, and there's Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
No, come on, you guys. I think I know. It's Noah. Come on, you guys, and you know the ark and the animals and the 40 days and 40 nights of rain and the dove. Ding, 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 ding. And the winner is Amy. Tucker, tell the little lady what she has won. You won the right to start our show today.